Hey, Mary, what you doing?
Oh, well, just another one of my do-it-yourself projects. You know, it's always kind of bothered me how people don't carry tissues anymore. So they do this when they cough into their sleeves, and it just, something about that just always bugs me. So I am thinking of a way to remedy that situation. So I have my box of tissues. I have some Velcro right there. And then this is the stick-on Velcro, so you don't even have to sew in this project. And then this one is gonna go right here. So, voila! I have, when I need to sneeze now, I can sneeze into my elbow and just toss that tissue away. Now, if for some reason you don't have Velcro, there's a couple of other options here. You could always find a bungee cord and, you know, just bungee it on. I mean, it's simple. If only you could figure out how to make it reach. Oops. No, that's not great. But as a last resort, Velcro will always work.
You don't mean Velcro.
I mean, oh, yeah, right.
You mean duct tape.
I mean duct tape, yeah. Just a little duct tape and you are set to go. So there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna head out on my little walk here and I'll see you later, and I'm all ready to go.
Okay.
Get my little mask, do-it-yourself mask on here and my tissues, and I'm set to go.
Looks good to me.
See you later.
Have fun.